Drivers have reached out to Fox 2 expressing frustration about the amount of debris they see along area interstates.
In tonight's Legal Lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal speaks with Brown Crouppen's Andrea McNairy about what happens if that debris causes a crash.
Andy, I know a lot of people drive along the interstate, they see the debris and they wonder, who's responsible for taking care of that?
Well, according to the Missouri Department of Transportation, we all are. Since 1987, MoDOT has had a Adopt a Highway program. It includes currently more than 5,000 groups and 50,000 volunteers that go along the roads, volunteer to clean them up and make them more attractive for our residents and visitors. That said, MoDOT does come through with crews and maintenance crews to remove large debris, such as ladders, mattresses, trash cans, things that are along the side of the road.
So what happens if there is a crash caused by some of that debris?
Well, it really depends. So first of all, if you know where the debris came from, you can try to hold the person responsible. So oftentimes if something falls off the back of a semi truck or some other commercial vehicle, sometimes people can identify the truck, even if the truck doesn't stop, because of the company name or logo, or witnesses or bystanders will have dash cams or some other footage, or note license plate numbers. So in those situations where you can actually identify the party that the debris fell off of their vehicle, you can hold that person responsible in civil courts. If you don't know, then there are different types of collision in your car insurance that can cover that. If just your car is damaged and not you yourself, that would be collision coverage that would cover any damage sustained to your vehicle. If you yourself are hurt, and this is actually a pretty common type of crash that we see, then you would make a uninsured claim if you were unable to identify the source of the debris.
Andrea McNairy from Brown Crouppen, we appreciate your time as always. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.